Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Minaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to copy a file path on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So file path refers to the specific locations or route through which a file or directory can be accessed within a file system. It represents the hierarchy or directories of folders leading to a particular file. So yan po yung ibig sabihin niyan. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up any folders on your computer files. So open lang natin ang ating File Explorer. So dito ay kailangan mag-open ng any folder dito sa ating computer. So open lang natin ang ating C drive. So click lang natin yan, double click. And then kung paano ba natin i-copy yung file path. So, select ka lang dito kung anong folder yung gusto mong i-copy yung file path. So, select mo lang siyang ganyan. And then, kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then, next step ay, makikita mo na kaagad dito yung copy as path. Or, pwede mong gamitin yung keyboard shortcut na Control plus Shift plus C. Okay, so click mo lang yung copy as a path. And then, open lang natin ang ating notepad. And then next ay paste natin dyan. Alright. So makikita mo na dito yung file path name dito sa folder mga kaibigan. So same sila. Alright. So ganun lang po kasimple on how to copy the file path in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.